Are you drinking coffee?
Mommy.
Are you drinking Mommy's coffee?
Mommy.
Is that hot?
Hot. Hot.
Say, I love you. No, you can't drink all of it like that because it's too hot. You like Mommy's coffee. It's so delicious. Can you say hi, Mommy?
Mommy.
Say hi, Mommy.
Oh, Mommy.
What's your name? Hello? What's your name?
Oh, Dada. Mommy, Dada.
Say, I love you. What are you drinking?
Oh.
What is that?
Mm.
Coffee? Say, caca.
Coffee sandwich.
Is that yummy? Say, yeah. Delicious.
Dada.
Oh, done.
And then,
Did you just have macaroni and cheese? I can't believe you're actually drinking my coffee. You really like it. Is this Mommy's coffee? Delicious. Thank you. Okay, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Mama.
Say bye-bye.
Mommy, Mama.
No, say bye-bye.
Dada, Mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bobby, yay,
You want to see Teen?
yay.
And who else?
Bobby,
Bubby and Teen. And who else?
Bobby,
Sissy.
Sissy,
Sissy?
Sissy,
Hilly. You want to see Hilly? Yeah? What? Abba? Where's Abba? Is Abba at work? I love you. Bye-bye.